the biggest, I think, motivation for me is hindi ako ganito kagaling magsalita pa before. I just wanted to get better at speaking. So isa sa mga challenges na ginawa ko is I just promised myself that I would post every single day for the next 3 months. Yun lang. Every day mag-post ako. I think that moment happened when I started to get messages na parang, hey, Alec, I don't know you, you don't know me, but you saved me tonight. And I started getting messages na malaking tulong yung content ko.
Hello, sir. I'm Luan from Grind Journal, where we tell people stories behind their grind. What's your name, sir?
My name is Alec Cuenca, and thank you so much for having me.
Can you tell us about what industry are you in and what do you do in life?
Okay, so I'm a content creator. I've been creating content since 2017. And now I'm also the CEO of Co-Create Media, where we help people create their own content. Nagtuturo din kami kung paano naman sila gumawa ng content. But yeah, I've been loving content creation ever since, and I've created all of my businesses through content as well.
So, before you became a content creator and a entrepreneur, can you tell us what do you do in life back then? And do you really see yourself becoming a podcaster, a content creator, and a business owner back then?
Yeah, I don't think meron talagang tao na, ewan ko sa mga younger generations ngayon, pero I don't think na-imagine ko yung sarili ko na magiging content creator ako. It was more of a parang accident what happened. So I was studying engineering back then. I was about to graduate. And then the pandemic happened. So nung nag-pandemic, I had this opportunity to like earn. Dahil sabi ko, okay, wala ng work yung mama ko, kailangan kong kumita. And I had content creation. I knew I could earn from content creation. And that's when I doubled down on it. I started selling merch. I started getting brand deals from it. And I started also doing my own workshops, just trying to sell anything online. Yun. So, hindi ko talaga siya na-imagine before na magko-content ako. It was, in fact, the biggest, I think, motivation for me is hindi ako ganito kagaling magsalita pa before. I just wanted to get better at speaking. So, isa sa mga challenges na ginawa ko is I just promised myself that I would post every single day for the next 3 months. Yun lang. Every day mag-post ako. And then, on the sixth week, doon ako nagkaroon ng first 100K videos. Then, the next video, 200K, 300K, 1M, tapos nagdire-diretso and I got a lot of followers from it. And then, after nun, sabi ko, okay, I think I could really do this. So, yeah, it was just because I really wanted to do public